Oh shit, it has a hinged door. But wait. Oh, it came with an integrated fucking fan controller. I already installed some SATA drives. I already installed my big ass manual hard drives. Came with cable management. Has like this fucking like a runner here. It has a fucking shit to mount shit to. Like I don't even need this hard drive base. Like it's ridiculous. Look, this thing. It fucking is magnetic. It's ridiculous. Listen. Like crazy.